Welcome to Mint Customs. Hey everybody, welcome back. As you can see, I've finished the exhaust system the other night and I managed to get the exhaust system to come through the swing arm out next to the shock. I've only got a few more jobs left to do before I can test ride this bike. Mount the fuel tank, fill it full of coolant. Done. Mix up some 2-stroke oil in the fuel. Mixed, ready to go. Bleed the brakes. Done. Finish mounting the exhaust system. Completed it, mate. We're very close to having this thing running. The sun is shining and it's summer here at Mint Customs. The KTM 300 2-stroke project isn't the only bike being built in the shop at the moment. We have plenty of projects on the go. And a couple of new faces too. Today, the old man is finishing off some jobs on a project called Vanta, while being supervised by Bear and Brains. On Moose's bench is a Honda CB 750. It looks like it's coming along nicely.
You happy?
You can find out more about this build on Tomboy a Bit's YouTube channel. The link is in the description. On my bench, I'm welding in some spacers, cleaning some bits of the frame, getting the seat and tank ready for a job I've been putting off for about 6 months. I've got to make a tank cover out of fiberglass. I would advise wearing gloves as well.
Actually, do you want a tip that you might not know? But I know.
Cool.
Because I have very good followers on Instagram.
Yeah.
They already gave me a tip. Working with the fiberglass, use baby talc. Yeah. Johnson's baby talc on your hands. And that's not gonna stick. Yes.
After trying to make multiple videos at once and failing to find some talcum powder, I got to work. And after a couple of hours, I had my first layer of fiberglass. Then I found some thinking chairs and got thinking. I needed to decide on an end can and a couple of other little jobs before I rode this round the block. Okay, I am at the point where this bike can be tested. The tank cover is currently drying over there. I've put this random silencer on, which I've cut down to make it look slightly good, but it's obviously not the one that's going to be on the bike when the bike's finished. But I've literally put it on there just to ride it around the yard. I want to hear this thing run. I want to make sure everything's working okay, and we all get to see it in action for the first time. Let's fucking do this. Oh, and I am here on my own. If anything goes wrong, try again. After trying about 10 times to get this bike started on my own, I decided to wait for the big guns to arrive. No luck. I'm gonna have to try when other people here just to help me get this thing running. This roller starting device is exactly what I need to get this bike up and running. Straight away I could tell how much fun this bike's going to be, and it's got a lot more bottom end power than I was expecting.
Do a wheelie. Do a wheelie. Do it. How fast it go, mister? Do wheelie. Do skids. It's gone very quiet. Oh no.
This is the first real engine test and it's passed with flying colours. Although we have picked up some wounds along the way. For example, the taps on the exhaust have gone flying off. There's a lot of vibration on the handlebars, so I think we're going to have to rubber mount some parts. The clutch is a bit sticky, probably needs rebuilding, maybe a new set of plates. There's a few other little jobs, but as a whole, the bike's performing great, and I can't wait to get the frame sent off powder coat, get the bodywork painted properly, and have this bike finished so we can ride it properly. We hope you enjoyed watching the first official engine test of KT, the KTM. You've got to love the sound of a two-stroke. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a lot more videos on the way. You can also comment below if you have any great ideas of bike builds or things we should do with the bikes, or any video ideas. You can also drop a like on this video. It would mean a lot to us.